Hello and welcome to Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. This is our login page. Please enter your username and password, then click Login. This is the Orders List page. This is the page that you will first see once you log into Order Direct powered by SalesLitre. You can also get to this page by clicking on Orders and List. Up top here you will see this gray bar. These are our filtering options. We're able to filter all of our orders through these different options. Active and inactive orders, different statuses of the orders, and different warehouses in which the orders are placed out of. Not to mention start dates and end dates. Once we've made any changes to these filters, we must click Set Filter for the changes to take place. You will see that some of our headers have little arrows next to them. This means that they are clickable and sortable. They will sort either numerically or alphabetically, depending on which one we click on. On the far right hand side, you will see the different statuses of our orders. We have highlighted in pink, entered, which means the order has been entered into our system. We have red and printed, which means we have printed the order and it is now in our delivery queue. And we have orange and delivered, which means we have successfully delivered this order and have a signed copy of the Doc60 back at our warehouse. If we click on the details button to the right hand side, that's going to give us a snapshot of that order. It will tell us where we're sending it, the SKUs, along with any pricing. Next to the details button, you'll see this little arrow. If we click on the arrow, it will give us more options for this order. We can view the order. This will give us the order details, along with any logged actions to the order. For example, who had created the order, who has made any edits to the order, or emailed the order to a customer. If we click on PDF, this will download a single copy of that Doc60, which looks like this. We can also click on email, which will allow us to email a copy of that Doc60 to one of your customers. Type in their email address here. The subject line of your email, and the body of your email down below. Then click email at the bottom to send to your customer. If your order is still in the entered status, you are able to make edits or void the order. If you are looking to print multiple Doc60s at the same time, you can select them here on the left-hand side. Go to Batch Actions and Print. This will print a batch of Doc60s that you have selected. To enter an order in the system, we will want to click on Orders and Add. This takes us to our order entry page. There are two different types of documents we can enter into the system. Doc60s to deliver product to a licensee, or Doc55s to pick up product from a licensee and return that inventory back into our warehouse. We can type in our invoice number here. The date will default to the date we are entering the order into the system. Please leave that as is. Here we can select the warehouse in which we wish to place the order out of. As we select a different warehouse, it will update our product and inventory lists. To search for a customer, we can type in their license number or start typing in the name of that customer. Select product that we wish to send to that licensee in quantity of selling units. You will see the order details on the right-hand side, giving us a conversion of selling units to full cases. Invoice comment is where we can put things like PO numbers, key contact info, delivery instructions, or anything that you would like to see on the physical Doc60. If we click on promo, that will zero out our invoice to $0. If we click on pickup, it will mark this order as a pickup, not for a delivery. Or a rush. This is if the order is entered after our cutoff time and the standard rush charge will be applied. Once we're ready to complete the order, hit save. It will take us back to our order page for us to continue to enter orders into the system. And we can go back to orders and list to view the order that we have just entered into the system. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on direct order powered by SalesLitre. If you require additional support, please visit the link in the description of the video below to take you to our support page.